stick with Quran and Sunnah. And guess what? When we want to stick with Quran and Sunnah, they want to rush or jump to the books of the history, etc. I give simple example. When we tell them that look, Isa alayhi salam was not put on the cross, there's no such thing in Quran and Sunnah. What do? Then they want to go to historical sources. For example, even Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, the main evidence Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was presenting in order to make his case that Isa alayhi salam was put on the cross. What was that evidence? The evidence was, he said, we have two big nations, Jews and the Christians, and both of them unanimously agree that Isa alayhi salam was put on the cross. So then how can we, it is not me, Mirza Sahib said. He said that how can we reject the consensus of two big nations? Now, take a pause here. On the one hand, where is your slogan? Because your slogan is that you're going to stick with Quran and Sunnah. When we are asking you to stick with Quran and Sunnah, you want to jump there. Number one. Number two, how ironic is that? Subhanallah, how ironic is that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is so caring, so passionate about the consensus of Jews and Christians that Isa was put on the cross. What about the consensus of Muslim Ummah? Muslim Ummah, all the scholars, they have consensus before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani comes in that Isa was not put on the cross. So he doesn't care about our consensus. First of all, he has nothing from Quran and Sunnah that Isa was put on the cross. Number one. Number two, he is so passionate and so inclined towards the consensus of Jews and Christians, but he does not want to stick with the consensus of this ummah. The third thing is very interesting, Ahmad Bhai. If Mirza Ghulam Qadiani wants to stick with the consensus of Jews and Christians that Isa was put on the cross, guess what? That both of them also have consensus, at least in their major sect, they have consensus that Isa alayhi salam did not die a natural death. Both Jews and Christians, these two nations, if you are inviting us to believe in their consensus, then both of them believe that Isa alayhi salam did not die a natural death in Kashmir. Rather, he was killed through the event of crucifixion, either killing before crucifixion or after, but in this event he was killed. So why don't you want to accept their consensus now? This is a classic example of cherry pick.